Thomas is a tank engine who lives at a big station on the island of Soas. He's a cheeky little 666, a short stumpy boiler and a short stumpy dome.
Yeah.
And when trains come in, he pulls the big engines to get the big express. He was proud of being the only engine strong enough to support people, like the Fatroller, and Gordon was seeing how fast he could go. Hurry, he said. Oh dear, thought Henry, why did I worry about rain spoiling my lovely coat of paint? Steam. What has happened to me? Satyrs.